Man, it's been a testosterone battle in Philly for decades. The guys been wanting to find out who can lay the best piece of meat between her legs. bury it. One say he the king, the other say he the ace, and the other just a local joker. So let's see if we can play these cards right. And maybe, just maybe, she wouldn't mind putting my meat in her mouth. Beef steak that is. Let's find out. What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. And today, we taking it up to Philly. North Philly, South Philly, it's the battle of the cheesesteaks. That's right, man, we're gonna get the bread with the little fluffification and a little crispification on the outside. And you know our steak is gonna be moist, juicy, tender, right here on the flat top griddle. Welcome back, this is another episode. Let's eat 39. Let's go, baby. What's up, gang? Welcome back. It's right, your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Look, today, you know we doing cheesesteaks to the max. We're going up to Philly, North Philly, South Philly, Max, Geno'S, Pat, all that. Let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start out by chopping, dicing some onions. We got about 3 whole onions diced up. Some people like onions, some people don't. It's definitely up to you, but we're gonna keep it pretty simple and basically authentic on how these cheesesteaks are done up in Philly. Up in Philadelphia, should I say Philadelphia? Sixers land. Shout out North Philly, South Philly, everybody in Philly. All right, let's go, baby, to the flat top. On the flat top, we're gonna get down about 2 or 3 tablespoons of EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. We got the temperature up about a medium right now. We got these 2 burners cooking and the ones to the far left not. We want them to cook down and become real translucent, soft. You know how that go. We've been doing this JBC gang. So look, these guys up there going head to head. Pat's, Geno's. Of course, you know I did my homework. Pat started this thing up. We'll get about a tablespoon of SPG down on them onions. Give them a toss. You don't want to burn them, like I say, you want to take it nice and easy because you want them to come up to temperature and get real translucent, but not too far. We just steaming these onions. Make sure the griddle is real well lubricated. All right, just like that, we're gonna get them onions off to this side in the warm zone. When the onions not gonna burn, they're gonna keep cooking and become translucent, not doing too much. We moved our onions to the warm zone of our griddle. And like I say, we keeping this real simple today. You choose what cheese you want. Do you want it with cheese with, or do you want it with some provolone, some of these steamed onions? And from there, you can go how you like it. Starting off, we're gonna start with the Geno's cheesesteak. You know when you go to Geno's, you're gonna get you a real nice piece of ribeye. That's not too, somewhere in there. A real good slice of ribeye. We're gonna get us some free slices off this steak. Now this will be a lot easier if we went ahead and froze the steak a little bit, but we ain't have time for all that. We're just gonna trim us some pieces off here and do it the best way we know how. Now, of course, at Geno's, you're gonna get the wide strips. But over here at Jam Pack Cooking today, you're gonna get they ain't gonna be too wide, but you definitely gonna get some steaks, baby. You ain't gonna get none of that make-believe stuff, all right? And that's how we're gonna do to that steak, just like that. Starting off with the Geno's steaks, we're gonna get us some strips down on the flat top, a little oil down, just to make sure ain't nothing sticking. Keeping it simple, little SPG. That's about a tablespoon of SPG, and you know we're gonna introduce them to the magic dust. Teaspoon of the magic dust. Big Smokeys, BBQ.com for your magic dust. We got our Geno's steaks cooking. You know at Geno's, you're gonna get more steak on there, man. You're gonna get that nice slice, and it ain't gonna be too chopped up, too fine. Something just like this. I have been to Philly and had some of these authentic cheesesteaks. I'm gonna let you know my preference at the end of this video. So make sure you're watching this video from the beginning to the end. We gotta find out the best cheesesteaks coming out of Philly, baby. We got our steaks cooked right to what we want them for as the Geno's steak, so let's get them off to the side. We're not overcooking no steaks today, all right? Onions to the back, we still got our onions steaming. We're gonna keep them separated. We're gonna cook all 3 steaks before we build it, all right? Geno's steaks, done. We got Pat's, one of the originators of this. The originator. Do your homework. Pat started all this, he jumped it off and got it going. You like what you like, don't get me wrong. You like what you like. The OG, Pat, started this cheesesteak game. If you go up to Pat's, man, this is how you gonna get that beef. you're gonna get it sliced up and they're gonna do some chopping, you know, and it is what it is. But this is the original way to slice that beef. You want it sliced real thin, keep it simple. About a tablespoon of the SPG. And we gotta put them on game. Teaspoon of the magic dust. Now we went ahead and left enough fat in there to where we ain't gotta put too much down because we don't want nothing to burn or nothing sticking on this steak. We was in South Philly. We got the Geno'S steak bot ready. We got the Pat Steak Cooking. So let's head up to North Philly, baby. Max, what it do? We coming to see you. If you go to Max, you're not gonna get all that extra slices and all that. It's coming chopped up, baby. That's right, just like this here. So we finally diced one of them ribeyes, hit it with the same treatment. SPG. I'm gonna do about a tablespoon. You do it to your liking. And of course, we putting Max on to something. Teaspoon of magic dust. Same treatment. So let's go, look. Normally we'll be sitting there trying to do all that chopping and everything, but we pre-did that. We got everything ready to go just how we want. Check this out, we got these steaks cooking up. It's the way Pat's gonna cook it up and slice that meat and give it a slight chop. We got Max up in North Philly, man. They gonna chop it up, chop it down, baby, all the way. Just like this. You know what you're looking at if you're from Philly. So we still back in the south side of Philly. And you go over there to Geno'S, you know he came in the game a little late, but there it is. He want it sliced up, you're gonna taste some of that steak on that sandwich. So boom, 1, 2, 3, let's go. But listen, people, I know the beef is everything. But what's a cheesesteak without the cheese? So do you like it with or without the cheese whiz? This is how we're gonna do it. We got us some cheese whiz. We got a cast iron skillet right here on the flat top. I'm gonna say about a teaspoon of the EVOO, just so this stuff won't stick going down. Then we're gonna get us some of that cheese whiz down. And you see it's already starting to come to a bubble, baby. You wanna get that down and let that come up to temperature. You know we're not gonna play no games. Let's put them on to something. Teaspoon of the magic dust. Give it a mix. We got the steaks on, we got the cheese whiz on, and don't think you ain't got options. We got provolone cheese, and we got these slices of American cheese. I'm finna show you how this thing go. Wouldn't be right without a little slight crispy bread on the outside and the softness on the inside, the fluffification. Straight down on the flat top is gonna start to soak up some of these fats and juices from the steak and the onions that we cooked it in. Get it down on the flat top. That's what we're looking for, a little bit of that crispification. Let's start building these steaks. Look, we're gonna start out in North Philly. Take a couple of slices of this American cheese, 3 slices of American cheese down. That cheese gonna start to melt in that steak. Now this is one you'll get mostly, you know, in the inner city. You know, we going up to Max and get us a cheese steak. We're gonna go with onions on this, baby. Put that bread cover right on there. Let that steam in there just a minute. We let that baby steam. Let all them juices go up in that bread with that cheese and onions. And real quick, this is how we're gonna do it. Let's get it down. Just like that, baby. But look, since we at the crib, normally, you know, we ain't gonna play no games, JPC gang. We want all that extra activity right up top. North Philly, Maxi, cheesesteak. But this is Pat's, we're gonna get down some provolone cheese. Now, of course, like I told you, man, this is totally up to you. If you want a cheese with cheese whiz or without cheese whiz, fresh provolone cheese, it don't get no fresher than that, baby. Fresh cut from the deli. I like extra onion, this gonna be for me, so check this out. Right up top, we going with the onions, baby. Once again, we got that bread with the outside crispification. The inside, you know it's soft and airy, baby. Come out from up under there with that provolone cheese. Yeah, that's right, it's got the stringy crispification. Stop playing. Just like that, baby. Close her up. That's the Pat's. We still in South Philly, right across the street from Pat's. You know you got Geno'S. This is the ultimate. They've been battling this out for years. At Geno'S, we're gonna go with the cheese whiz, all right? So of course, it's a little thinner than what it normally is. So look, it don't matter though, cause we making it work. This is cheese whiz. We're going right down on that bread with the cheese whiz, all right? Both sides, cheese whiz. Of course, we're going right down with the sliced steaks and onion. We got the cheese whiz. And for all my cheese head, we're gonna go with a little bit more right up top. We not gonna disappoint, JPC gang. Geno'S, right across the street from Pat. Say he the man, Pat say he the king of it. Geno'S say he the ace. We finna find out. Right here in your face. This is what I want you to do right now. Go ahead and smash that like button for your boy out here doing this for you, JPC gang. Let's taste these cheese steaks. Let's put this to rest. You know, for the gang. What the other people talking about, maybe they in, maybe they right, maybe they wrong. We don't know. But what we do know is we got all three of them on the board made by your boy. So check this out. We got Patch with onions in the provolone. We went up to North Philly. We got Max up in here with the American cheese with the onions. And then we back in South Philly with the Geno'S with the cheese whiz. Come right down the middle. Typically, you know we ain't gonna do this to our cheesesteak, but hey, it is what it is. Let's start with this one, man. Let's start with Pat since we here already. Come in here. Come on, man. You know we ain't playing no games. It's time to taste it. Come here. King of steak just might be the provolone cheese, the onions, the bread with the slight crispification on the outside. I don't know, man. Pat's saying something. It's really about the way that meat is sliced. Let's go up to North Philly real quick. No. While we down here in South Philly, we might as well holler at Geno'S and see what he's talking about. Geno'S gonna make sure you get beefy steak in every bite. And that's basically what Geno'S is about. So let's go across the street right quick. Come here. Okay, it's a little processed cheesy, but the beef is there. What can I say? It's beefy. It's definitely beefy. You know, some people like that processed cheese. To each his own. I mean, and that's what makes this such a hard decision. Because if you like this processed cheese, then it should be right up your alley. Especially with them whole slices of beef in there. You know, ain't too much chopping going on, but that's Geno'S for you. That's the guy, you know. And that's with the grilled onions on there. So let's go up to North Philly, baby. Max, where you at? So this is the type of cheesesteak, like when we was coming up, we would say, hey, we go to these cheesesteak spots, and for most of my life, I thought this was what a cheesesteak was. Very finely chopped meat. Throw me some American cheese in there. I had some peppers in mine. You know you can go crazy. They can throw some mushrooms or whatever you want to put in it, but it's got the real fine chop on that beef. It's still a ribeye. It's still a good grade of meat, but you got it chopped up with that American cheese, you know. And this is what I was used to. So let's see if it brings back memories, baby. North Philly, where you at? Come here. See, and for me, that's where it's at. That brings me right back to a cheesesteak in the South, where I'm from. You know, all the way up in North Philly. Grilled onions. Normally I would have some type of peppers or bell peppers, red peppers, whatever whatever I like. Which is, I love peppers and onions, so I throw me some peppers and onions on there with that sliced American cheese, grilled onions. Finely chopped ribeye. You can't go wrong, baby. JPC gang. Go down in that comment. Let me know if you ever had any of these three cheesesteak sandwiches. Let me know which one you like, and let me know Philly. Let me know if you think your boy did his thing. You know, if you messing with me or not. Either way, man, I appreciate you for watching. I love you for watching. Salute South Philly, North Philly, everybody in Philly. I hope y'all still staying safe, washing your hands. You know, get back. Corona, we can't do that. But listen, make sure you go down there and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. Because we always jamming and cooking right here on Jam Packed Cooking. Until next time, baby, peace and love.